When you're asked to write the equation of a parabola and you're given any 3 points, there's a few ways you could do that by hand. They're kind of time consuming though, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you a quick way to use your calculator to write the equation that goes through those 3 points. Now notice your 3 points are nothing special. They're not x-intercepts, they're not the vertex, so we're just going to use standard form. Our answer is going to become, or be in standard form once we're done. So let's go ahead and get these points typed in the calculator. So go ahead and go to Stat and go to Edit. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and already typed my points in. I've used L1 and L2, so make sure you're typing your points in the same lists, and make sure your X's are in L1, your Y's are in L2, and hopefully I've stalled enough to give you time to get your points typed in. Otherwise, pause the video and get those typed in. And you may remember doing this. This is the same thing that we did back when we did scatter plots. We made lines of best fit. Today we're going to do parabolas of best fit, the parabola that best fits this data. So once those points are typed in, go ahead and go back to Stat and select Calculate. What we've done in the past is we've done option 4, linear regression, because we were finding the line of best fit. But for today we want to find a parabola, so do a quadratic regression, option number 5. So press enter. You may see this screen depending on your calculator. If you do, just keep pressing enter down to calculate. Otherwise, press enter just to get it to run. There's the form that we're in. There's the standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And they've given you your 3 y values right here. 2x squared plus 1x plus negative 4 is the equation you want to write down. We'll graph that in a second and just to check it. Remember, the r value represents the correlation coefficient. So an r value of 1 means we have a perfect fit. So this data perfectly fits that parabola. So hopefully you've written down your equation, but let's go ahead and just type it in here so we can take a look and see that it does check out. So my equation we said was y equals 2x squared plus 1x. And I'm blanking on the last part, so give me a second. I think it was minus 4. Oops, I'm just going to go with it was minus 4 because I think that's what it was. I should have written it down. So now if I have that typed in, let's go ahead and check our table to see if our points were correct and are in our table. So I've got negative 1, negative 3. I can see that, yep, that's in my table. I've got 0, negative 4, that's in there. And I've got 2, 6. So yeah, not only did I remember it right, but we also got the correct equation. So there's how to find the equation of a parabola given 3 points using your calculator.